Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I am obsessed with this custom motorized blind from Graywind. Have you ever just gotten so tired of the little strings that hang from your blinds, or the fact that light can still get in even though they say that they're room darkening? Well, let me tell you, everything that these blinds promise you, they deliver on.
Nothing compares to having a motorized custom fit blind that blocks 90% of light. So you make sleeping very comfortable in the room. These blinds have no strings attached, literally no strings to fall and get tangled or your cat to play with, because everything is controlled by a remote, and you can choose to hang them inside the window like we did or on the outside. They will walk you through the process of measuring so that you get a fit that will be perfect for your window, and nothing looks as clean and sophisticated as a motorized blind that fits inside or right where you want it on your window.
One of my favorite things about these blinds from Graywind is the remote and how they custom cut the blind to your specifications. So you know, no matter what size window you have, these are going to fit beautifully. There's something so classy and exquisite about having a blind that fits perfectly into your window space without any strings or clutter, and has a remote so that you don't even have to get up to open or close your blinds. You will not be disappointed by these. They are beautiful, they work incredible, and they will take your room and your window to the next level. And that is my point of view.